Buffer solutions. A freshly prepared solution has a definite value of pH. Usually, a solution is unable to maintain its pH value for a long time. The pH of a solution generally changes either on keeping for a long time or on addition of small amounts of some acid or a base. Several chemical, biological, and industrial processes require solutions whose pH values do not change appreciably either on keeping for a long time or on addition of small amounts of acids or bases. Therefore, several solutions has been introduced which are capable of maintaining definite values of pH. Such solutions are called buffer solution. Definition: a buffer solution is the solution which maintains its pH fairly constant and is capable of resisting the change in pH on addition of small amount of acid or base. The ability of a buffer solution to resist any change in pH on addition of an acid or base is called buffer action. Define or explain what is meant by buffer action. Human blood is an excellent example for a natural buffer. Normal human blood has a pH of 7.4. Blood always maintains this value of pH what type of food we eat. Seawater is another example of a natural buffer which maintains its pH around 8.4 by complex buffer action of various salts present in it. Buffer solutions are of the following two types. 1. Acidic buffers. The solution of a weak acid and its salt with a strong base is called acidic buffer. For example, a solution containing equimolar quantities of acetic acid, that is a weak acid, and sodium acetate salt of acetic acid with a strong base NaOH is an acidic buffer solution. This solution maintains its pH value around 4.74. Some other examples of acidic buffers are phthalic acid and potassium acid phthalate, formic acid, sodium formate, boric acid, and borax. Basic buffers. The solution of a weak base together with its salt with a strong acid is called a basic buffer. For example, a solution containing an equimolar quantity of ammonium hydroxide, a weak base, and ammonium chloride, a salt of ammonium hydroxide with a strong acid HCl, is a basic buffer solution. This solution maintains its pH around 9.25.